start the show.
Alright, welcome back to the Cool Tool of the Week podcast. I am your host, Jason Thomas, back from a week hiatus and a wonderful Memorial Day holiday. So let's jump right into episode 11 about MIT's OpenCourseWare. This resource, it's provided by MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, to give access to all sorts of educational materials for teachers to download, use, and modify as they need. It's totally free, it spans every subject area, and it's MIT. It's high-quality material from a top-notch national university. And by inserting these materials into your course, you can give your students a new perspective or maybe some enrichment in your course materials. So what you can do is you can use it as an additional resource for students in research. You can access podcasts and videocasts on the OpenCourseWare, also known as OCW, to where you can engage the students with video, audio, and different sorts of media. Or you can even just browse through there to get some ideas or templates for your own courses. The audio and video very easily can be embedded into Moodle by uploading a file, and the students can download and take these materials with them on any sort of mobile device, such as their iPhone, their iPod, their MP3 player, if it is the audio-video. So, the first thing is how to actually access the MIT OpenCourseWare. First thing you'll need to do is open your web browser like I have, and then there's two ways to get to the OpenCourseWare. You can either just search for it by searching MIT OpenCourseWare, and you'll see it's the first thing that pops up, and click on here, or you can type the URL directly. So I could go http://ocw.mit.edu, and there we are at the MIT OpenCourseWare site. Once you've gotten to the MIT OpenCourseWare, you've got to know how to actually find what you need. So we're going to jump in and search for, browse, and show you the different ways you can find the materials you need for class. Now that you've made it to the MIT site, next thing you need to do is find your materials. There's a couple ways to do this. The main way is using the bar on the left. What you can do is you can find audio-video courses, which will be MP3s and video files you can download, or you can browse by subject matter. I'm going to click on Health Sciences and Technology, and once you go there, it will show you a listing of the courses. So here are the available courses, and you'll see this key can tell you what's actually available in each course. So you'll see this HST, the Projects in Microscale, Engineering for Life Sciences. It has a camera, which means it has image galleries. Well, that might be nice. If you scroll down, a check mark means it has exams with solutions pre-made for you. And then if you see the little pin here, it's got projects. So what you can do is you can search for only a certain type of media. And it has undergrad and graduate courses. It'll be up to you to go through them and find what you want. What I want to look for is multimedia. So I'm going to look for this little play pause sign. I see genomics and computational biology. I click on it. Gives me a little basic, the course features, a little description in case I need to know more. And I can go to audio lectures. I can download any of these as MP3s, and I can put them directly into my course. You can also, to be compliant with ADA specifications, download PDFs, which will actually have the entire notes there. So if you have someone who cannot access audio, be it hard of hearing or just doesn't have the technology, they now have access to that material in a different format. And you click on them, and it just lets you download them. This is totally free. So what you can do is you can go view all courses, and you can search through all these courses, find ones that are best for you. If you just want to search for something, instead of browsing by department, you can use the search right here, and you can look for whatever term you'd want. And it'll search the entire OCW site and find all the courses that have that keyword in it. Once you've found those materials, you've got to get them into your course. So this will really quickly take you through how to take what you've gotten from OCW and put it into your course in Moodle. Alright, so what I've done is I found the material I wanted. I wanted this lecture on the intro to computational biology. So what I did is I clicked on it and I saved to my desktop, as you can see here. And now I want to put that into my Moodle course. So, what I'll need to do is, of course, go to Moodle. Once I get there, I will log in, and access my course. Once I've gotten into my course, I will need to turn on editing, go down to whatever module I'm going to put this in. I'm going to put it way at the bottom. And I'm going to add a resource. And I want to link to a file or a website because I have a file I want to put in. So I'm going to name it Computational Bio Intro. I'll call it the podcast introduction. And now I want to upload a file. So I click upload. And it's going to bring me to the dialog box we all know so well. And since I haven't used this MP3 before, I need to upload it from my computer. I'll click Browse, go to my desktop, find that file, open, click Upload this file, and now what you'll see is that file's been uploaded, so I can choose. And then I go down to the bottom, hit Save and Return to Course, and you'll see at the end, there's my podcast, and when the student clicks on it, it'll play it. And it's that simple. You can also, if you want the students to be able to download when you're making the resource, check the box that says Force Download. That way, when they click on it, it'll have them save it. But if you want them to just play it in Moodle, you don't need that box checked. And that's it. That's as simple as it is to get MIT materials, whether it be podcasts, videos, exams, pre-made projects, all sorts of materials for your course. It's just up to you to go out there and find them. Alright, thank you so much. This has been the SPCC Cool Tool of the Week podcast. My name is Jason Thomas. My contact information is below, jthomas@spcc.edu, along with my phone number, Skype address, and my lone little office. Thank you very much.
Brought to you by Jason Thomas, South Piedmont Community College, and Ironic Boom.